Before you decide whether Kyozou is the right dropshipping software for you, there are 12 things you need to know. In a market flooded with alternatives, Kyozou promises a lot, but is it truly the best choice? Stick with me as we dive into the specifics, and I'll show you how it stacks up against the competition. First, Kyozou offers multi-channel selling, which means you can list your products across multiple platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Walmart. This can save you time and hassle by managing everything from a single dashboard. But keep in mind, some competitors like Shopify and BigCommerce also offer similar integrations, though their pricing might be different. Next, one standout feature of Kyozou is its inventory management. It automatically syncs across all your selling channels. This could be a huge benefit for avoiding overselling or stockouts, but do note that other platforms like Oberlo can also help you keep inventory updated in real time, though with a smaller focus on multi-channel support. The third thing is its product sourcing options. Kyozou provides a marketplace to find suppliers and products, which can make it easier for new entrepreneurs. However, when comparing it to platforms like Spocket, Kyozou's options may feel a bit more limited, especially if you're looking for premium suppliers or high-quality products. Next thing to consider is Kyozou's pricing. It operates on a subscription model, but its costs can quickly add up, especially if you need access to advanced features. While it's competitive with other platforms, the pricing can be a bit steep compared to others like Oberlo, which offers a free plan with basic features. The fifth thing you should know is the order fulfillment process. Kyozou integrates with several shipping carriers to help streamline the order-to-delivery process. While this is a great feature, platforms like Shopify give you access to a wider range of shipping options and may have more robust fulfillment solutions for large stores. Next, Kyozou provides some degree of automation, like order processing and inventory updates, but it doesn't go as far as some competitors, such as Automizely, which offers more advanced automation workflows for better efficiency. The seventh thing to know is customer support. Kyozou offers support via email and phone, but some users report slow response times during peak hours. This could be a deal breaker if you need immediate assistance. In contrast, other platforms like Shopify have a well-established customer support network with 24/7 availability. Next up is the learning curve. Kyozou isn't as intuitive as some competitors. The platform can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. For those new to dropshipping, tools like Shopify or BigCommerce are often more user-friendly. The ninth thing you need to consider is the product customization options. Kyozou offers some ability to customize your product pages, but it's nowhere near as flexible as what you get with platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify, which allow for deeper customization with various plugins. Moving on, the 10th point is scalability. Kyozou is definitely a solid option for small to medium-sized businesses, but when it comes to scaling up, platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce offer more robust features and integrations designed for growth. The 11th thing to mention is marketing and SEO tools. Kyozou offers some basic tools for SEO optimization and marketing, but competitors like Shopify come with more built-in features like email marketing and blogging, which can help drive traffic to your store. Finally, let's talk about analytics. Kyozou provides some decent data tracking for your business, but it doesn't offer as many advanced reporting tools as platforms like BigCommerce, which provide more detailed insights into customer behavior, sales trends, and profit margins. In conclusion, Kyozou is a solid choice if you're just starting out in dropshipping and want an all-in-one platform with multi-channel support. However, if you're looking for more advanced features and a broader range of tools, you might want to check out our recommended solution. It's free to try, and it might be the better option for your business.